Yeah, so we already record this Google Meet. Then yeah, we are from group 14 that consists of me, Devin, Moch, Rizky, and also Daffa. So our journal title is Improving Information Retrieval with Context-Aware Search Query Expansion based on TF-IDF. Next slide, please. Okay, so this is our problem statement. So because the volume of information grows highly improve in our worldwide. So retrieving accurate and also relevant data has become increasingly challenging in uh, our world now. Existing query expansion methods that include of based on TF-IDF often operate in isolation from contextual factor, ignoring user intent and domain-specific nuances. Maybe I will explain a bit about the search query expansion. So the search query expansion itself is a technique used by the search engine to expand user queries by adding synonymous keywords, derivative words, and also the related phrases. So the goal of this search query expansion is to overcome the limitation of the initial query so that the search result become more relevant and also useful. One example, I search for the mangoes candies, but what appeared was not only mango candies, but like itself and also the mangoes juice and etc. Now, so our journal have the limitation. So this limitation results in reduced retrieval performance, particularly in complex or specifically research. A robust context-aware approach to query expansion is necessary to bridge this gap. Maybe the next problem statement will explain by Daffa.
Okay, thank you, Devin, for the explanation. So basically, we have three problems here. So the first one is we have ambiguity in user queries. So this is the problem that many users often submit short or vague queries that lack sufficient context. For example, like when we search for an apple in the search engine, it could also refer to the fruit or also the technology company named Apple. So this has become the ambiguity when user searching any information, when user doing some information retrieval. So the next one is synonym and semantic variability. So this problem has become the traditional keyword-based systems that may not recognize the car and that recognize that car and automobile are synonymous. So it will also leading to the misresult. And then the last problem is query drift in query expansion. So this is the when we adding irrelevant terms during expansion, this also can dilute the query's focus and also reduce the precision itself for the information retrieval. So these three main problems has become the common and the most problem that happening during the information retrieval by the users. And then the next, we will go to the objectives will be presented by Rizky.
So based on the problem statement and the three problem before that mentioned by Devin and Daffa, the objective itself or the solving from us is the first we have a develop a context-aware semantic analysis and TF-IDF to improve search relevance because Devin and Daffa mentioned before the query expansion itself have ambiguity and synonymous, right? So using TF-IDF, we can enhance the search query to the relevant topic. And the second one, we have to minimize irrelevant term in query expansion through the context based on the filtering itself. As I mentioned before, if we search Apple, it can be shown as the Apple as a company and also the fruit. One is improve search accuracy by evaluating the proposed method against the traditional approaches. And the next one, which is the fourth one, is test the applicability across a diverse data set and a domain to ensure the generalization itself. And the last one is enhance the TF-IDF by integrating contextual relationship between the term. I mean, in this case, the TF-IDF itself, it's the method algorithm to collect the text or the data itself. So we can put the TF-IDF or the data using TF-IDF method to enhance the query expansion in this case. Yeah. That's the objective or the solving itself based on the three problem before as the Daffa mentioned. Thank you. I think that's all from our group. Thank you. Uh, Back to Devin.
Okay, I think that's all about our group focuses. Thank you.